Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Again, I am going to review with you your 10 frame work mat, your number cards, and your counters. We did this yesterday, remember? And you are more than welcome to use that any time that you want to practice your counting skills, okay? So let me show you again. I'm going to show you with the number 7 because we will be doing an activity on Seesaw with the number 7, okay? So I want to show you again, and again, mine is facing you. When you're working on your 10 frame work mat, yours is going to be facing you, okay? I am just going to show you number 7 because that's the number that we are working on. Okay, number 7. So let me get number 7 out. Number 7 is right here. Okay, remember when you are counting 7, when you're counting 7 and you're putting them on the 10 frame, you always start at the top, you go from left to right, and then you go to the bottom. So it's top to bottom from left to right. Okay, you can't just put them wherever you want to put them on there and say 1, 2. They have to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 on our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and you can do that any time that you would like to with your number cards, your work mat, 10 frame work mat, and your counters. I want you to watch Mrs. Hensley again with the counters. Take them all off your board. You're clearing your board, okay? You're counting them. Anytime you get your counters out, I want you to count them when you put them back in here because you should have 20. If you have less than 20, then you've lost some. So you need to really make sure you're counting. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Does Mrs. Hensley have all 20 of hers in here? Yes, I do. So listen. Did you hear that click? It worked this time. Yay! It didn't work yesterday when I clicked it. It has to be all the way down in order for it to be closed, and then put that back in your baggie or in a safe place. But you may work on your 10 frame work mat anytime that you would like, along with your number cards and your chips. These are called chips, counting chips, okay? So I want you to take advantage of that because that's going to help you count to 10. Okay, and realize that if you say the number 3, that means 3 objects. Okay, if you say the number 5, that means 5 objects. Okay, so I want you to practice counting on with those counter chips. Practice on your 10 frame. Okay, you are going to now go to your Seesaw activity here and do your number 7 activity. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, friends.